Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you secret settings you should change right now on Motorola Moto G06 Power. So first go into the settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and then the device identifiers, and click build number 7 times repeatedly, and then put in your PIN. Now you are a developer and you have access to the developer settings. Then go into the battery saver and enable battery saver. Also the limit background activity and low battery. Then remember to always clean the background apps. Go into the display and enable the dark theme and adaptive brightness. It will help you to maintain the battery health. Remember to disable all the options that you're not currently using in the quick settings. And lastly, go into the gestures. Here change the navigation mode to your preferences, and if you chose the gesture navigation, you can enable the one-handed mode. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.